In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a list in Constant Contact. Whether you're managing a small business or organizing a community group, having a well-structured contact list can make communication straightforward and effective. So let's dive in and see how you can build your list with ease. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. If you're new to Constant Contact, you'll need to create an account first, but for this tutorial, we're assuming you already have one set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as your main control center. Next, look towards the top of the dashboard and find the Contacts tab. Click on this tab and you'll be taken to the Contacts page. Here, you can manage all your existing contacts and create new lists. It's an essential hub for maintaining your communication network. Now, at the top right corner of the Contacts page, you'll see the Add Contacts button. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose Add Multiple Contacts from this menu. This option is particularly useful if you're looking to enter several contacts at once, saving you time and effort. Once you've clicked on Add Multiple Contacts, you'll be presented with a few different methods to input your contacts. You can manually enter the names and email addresses of your contacts, or if you have a list prepared, you can simply paste it into the field provided. This feature is incredibly handy if you've got a spreadsheet or document with all the details ready to go. As you add your contacts, you might notice the option to add rows. This feature allows you to input additional contacts beyond the initial space provided. Simply click Add Rows whenever you need more room, ensuring you can include everyone you need without hassle. After entering all your contacts, double-check the information to ensure accuracy. This step is crucial as it prevents any communication mishaps down the line. Once you're satisfied with what you've entered, click the Continue button located at the bottom of the page. By following these steps, you've successfully created a contact list in Constant Contact. This new list can be used to send newsletters, updates, or any information relevant to your contacts. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date list is key to effective communication, so make sure to review and update it regularly. And there you have it. Creating a list in Constant Contact is a straightforward process that keeps you connected with your audience or group. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out for more tips and tricks on managing your digital communications effectively. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.